And with the Indian government focusing on big-ticket infrastructure projects, India's upcoming budget is likely to maintain the focus on capital expenditure. In the current fiscal year, the government intends to spend about $120 billion. In the upcoming budget, analysts expect that the figure is to rise by at least 10%. The government has been doing a lot of heavy lifting on capital expenditure since the COVID pandemic. Government spending has more than doubled since 2020 to 21 budget. This has helped India's economy remain a top performer amid the global slowdown. Capital expenditure largely goes into developing key infrastructure like roadways, railways, such spending boosts the country's productivity, job creation, demand and trade in the long run. Meanwhile, the interim budget will keenly be watched by the private sector as well. Private capital expenditure largely remains subdued between 2020 and 2022 due to global uncertainties. However, 2023 turned out to be a better year for private businesses. India's private sector announced capital expenditure worth over $75 billion in April to September 2023. That was 40% higher than the 10-year average, that's signaling India's economic buoyancy. And the upcoming budget, however, will provide important cues that could shape private capital expenditure.